The South African Football Association president, Danny Jordan, appeared in the Specialized Commercial Crime Court in Palm Ridge, facing charges of fraud and theft. Jordan, along with SAFA's chief financial officer, Ronnie Hluyo, and former journalist turned businessman Trevor Neethling, stands accused of misappropriating 1.3 million rand from SAFA's funds for personal use. The courtroom was packed as Jordan, dressed in a dark blue suit and red and white tie, stood before the court with his friends behind his back. Among those present to support him were several members of the SAFA National Executive Committee, including Chief Operating Officer Advocate Teboho Motlanthe and CEO Lida Monyepayo. According to Jordan, he was informed of his impending arrest but was not provided with an official copy of the police charges. He said the police came to fetch me at my house and brought me before this court. Jordan stated he intends to plead not guilty and has applied for bail, requesting that his passport remain in his possession due to work-related travel. He offered 10,000 rand as bail, though the state requested 20,000 rand. The charges stem from allegations that between 2014 and 2018, Jordan used SAFA's resources for personal gain without board authorization. The accusations include hiring a private security company for personal protection and a public relations firm to manage his image following grave allegations made against him by former ANC Member of Parliament and singer Jennifer Ferguson in 2017. Hawks spokesperson Colonel Katlego Mogale outlined additional claims, saying the president is reported to have violated SAFA statuses, thus prejudicing SAFA an actual loss of 1.3 million rand. In March, the Hawks conducted a 5-hour raid on SAFA's Johannesburg headquarters, seizing documents, a laptop, external hard drives, and USB drives as part of their investigation. Jordan also shared details of his financial situation with the court, despite serving as SAFA president without a salary. He has received up to 100,000 rand annually based on the association's performance. He owns properties in Johannesburg and the Eastern Cape, valued at 6 million rand and 4 million rand respectively, with an estimated 2 million rand in household fixtures and appliances. Additionally, Jordan owns 2 luxury vehicles, a Mercedes-Benz and a BMW, worth more than 700,000 rand combined. With 18 witnesses listed in the case, Jordan's next court appearance is expected to draw continued attention from the public and SAFA officials alike. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.